Welcome to this beautiful custom home in Oakville. Come on and join with me as I take you behind the scenes on how we styled this beautiful home. Welcome! So we are in the space where we have the living room and dining room combined together. So this is not a big space, but we still want to show both functionalities. So we carefully chose the pieces that we can show the space, but they are not like bulky. So here we have the sofa with 2 accent chairs and a coffee table, and we grounded the space with a neutral rug. So this office space is situated across the living and dining, and this is the first room you see when you walk through the door. You don't see too many houses like this, so this is one of the unique situations where you have an office room as soon as you enter and it's open to the living room. So we wanted to be very careful and thoughtful when we designed the space. This office room, along with the built-in shelves, are painted with this beautiful olive green. So when we chose the pieces, we wanted to make sure it complements this paint color and everything goes nice together. As you step inside of this beautiful custom home, you are going to be greeted by 3,500 square feet of pure elegance. Currently, we are sitting in this gorgeous family room. It's a 2-story room, as you can see. And the 3 walls in this room are adorned by beautiful molding. We carefully chose the artwork to complement the moldings in this room and not to distract from them. So we chose 2 exact same artwork to create balance and symmetry. So we used them either side of the fireplace, and we used sideboards to ground the space. As you can see, we kept the styling simple on the sideboard just by using a lamp and a book. We chose the color scheme for this room as black and gold so that it complements the finishes in this room and also the light fixture. Welcome to the master bedroom in this beautiful home. The main wall on this bedroom has beautiful paneling with 2-toned paint colors. The goal of our styling for this room is to create warm and cozy feeling, like you'll have the greatest sleep ever and all your worries will melt away. Since the room is a good size room, we used a king bed with beige headboard to complement the color palette in this room. We also used white neutral bedding with lots of layering to create that luxury warm feeling. We used a rug to ground the bed and to define the space. We ensured the rug is neutral with black accents to pull the black from the existing light fixtures. We also included this seating area to show more functionality to this room.